Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox this brand new smartwatch that is a replica of Mi Watch from Xiaomi. As you can see, we have some options here. In the back we have telephone reminder, heart rate, care, alarm clock, photograph, telephone control, sleep monitoring, messages, waterproof, calories and running, which are basically the same options like other smartwatches. And we have here some information including the battery. As you can see, 170 mAh, 1.54 inch. We have waterproof, IP67, and we have work time 10 days. We have 4.0 Bluetooth connection, and you can see Android 4.4 and above or iOS 8.5 and above. So let's see what we have here in the box. As you can see, immediately we have the same configuration as the Mi Watch. It looks basically the same. The bands are similar, but not the quality. Not the bands or the watch, the quality is worse. You can see the bands right here. We have the shape of the Mi Watch bands. Also, the watch itself has the same shape. It's not completely like Mi Watch, but from far away it looks like a Mi Watch. Underneath we have the charger and the user manual like usual. Let's see what we have here. As you can see, we have different languages, starting with connection and other stuff to teach us in the user manual, and we have the charger that doesn't look like the Mi Watch charger. Let's go ahead and put these bands on, see how it will look. We saw before how to put these. If you don't know, just search the hole and click the other hole as well. It's very simple. In case you need any help, comment down below, I'll let you know in details. So now the bands are on, let's go ahead and power it on. You can see immediately we have a face from Xiaomi Mi Watch. We have time, date, percentage of battery and all kinds of stuff. In the menus you can see we have step count, heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen. In the second page we have sleep, motion mode, weather and messages. The button doesn't work as you saw. We have music, stopwatch, settings, Bluetooth, photography and power off. So these are all the options that we have in the smartwatch. We don't have a taskbar, we don't have a menu bar or anything else, just these options, and that's basically it. So you can see the face that we saw in the beginning. We can change that. All of these faces are similar to the Mi Watch faces. You saw the astronaut one in the Mi Watch, and you will see it again when we compare it. So basically this is just a copy paste of the Mi Watch. This smartwatch has 128 kilobytes of RAM. We have G sensors, vibration built-in, Bluetooth 4.0 as we saw in the package. We have Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8.4 and above that the supports. And in the software we will find step count, calories, distance, sport mode, raise your hand to bright the screen, sleep monitoring, running track, etc, etc. We will try all of that. Also, this smartwatch supports different languages and we have different options that we will try all in this video. So let's go ahead now and try these options that I said, see how they work, if they work properly, and what difference we have from the Mi Watch. You can see immediately the theme is not like the Mi Watch. We have a way different theme, worst I would say. You can see the heart rate, it shows the result immediately, which is a very good thing. Let's test the blood pressure and see how it goes. You can see right here we have some results for blood pressure. It took a little too long, but it's expected from this type of smartwatch. Let's test now the blood oxygen, see how this one goes. Again, it took a little bit, but not too long like blood pressure, and that's a good thing, I guess. Let's go ahead and try now the sport mode, or like they want to call it, motion mode. We have here running, walking, swimming, climbing, indoor run, rope skipping, riding, badminton, football, basketball, and again running. So we have quite a few options here for sport. As you can see, we have the timing going, burn calories, blood pressure, we have steps, warm up, and we have the kilometers as well as the watch at the top of the right corner. So as you can see, we have now here the Mi Watch. And the right side, you can see the resolution, the colors, the brightness are way different than the fake one. We have very good brightness and resolution in the Mi Watch, as we saw before while we are using it, but the fake Mi Watch is not like the regular or the real Mi Watch. You can see they try to copy the shape, the bands, they try to copy some of the faces, but you can see that clearly we have some big difference. We have taskbar and the menu bar. Also the rotation button doesn't work in the fake one, and that's a very good benefit in the real Mi Watch. You can see in the right side we have two buttons in the real one instead of just one button, and we have the port in the left side. You can see the real one, the real Mi Watch, is a little bit thicker and the curve is better in the screen. Behind is all plastic, the fake one, you can see, but you can clearly see the real one is different material. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.